Welcome to a world where architectural restraint creates extraordinary impact. In today's video, we explore ultra-luxury modern house exterior design shaped by minimalist architecture elegance. This design philosophy proves that luxury is not defined by excess, but by precision, proportion, and intention. Every line, surface, and material is carefully curated to express sophistication, balance, and timeless beauty, setting the stage for a truly elevated residential experience. Minimalist luxury architecture focuses on clarity and purpose instead of ornamentation. It relies on strong geometry, clean lines, and harmonious compositions. Ultra-luxury modern exteriors use simplicity as a tool to highlight quality. Premium materials, flawless detailing, and masterful craftsmanship. The result is an exterior that feels calm yet powerful, understated yet undeniably exclusive, embodying a refined architectural identity. The form of an ultra-luxury modern house is often sculptural. Rectilinear volumes, cantilevered structures, and layered masses create visual drama without visual clutter. These bold geometric expressions define the home's character while maintaining minimalist discipline. Each volume is carefully proportioned to achieve balance, allowing the exterior to feel both monumental and elegant, commanding attention through form rather than decoration. Materials play a crucial role in minimalist luxury exteriors. Natural stone, exposed concrete, warm wood panels, and high-performance glass are chosen for their texture, durability, and authenticity. Rather than mixing too many finishes, designers focus on a limited palette, allowing each material to stand out. This thoughtful selection elevates the facade, creating richness through contrast and tactile quality. Ultra-luxury minimalist exteriors often embrace neutral tones such as white, beige, gray, and earthy hues. These colors enhance architectural clarity and allow light and shadow to become design elements. A restrained color palette also ensures timeless appeal, preventing the design from feeling dated. The subtle variation in tone and texture adds depth, while preserving the calm elegance of the overall composition. Large glass panels are essential in modern luxury exterior design. Floor-to-ceiling windows, sliding glass walls, and seamless corner glazing blur the boundary between interior and exterior. From the outside, glass adds lightness and transparency, balancing solid architectural forms. This openness reflects a contemporary lifestyle, emphasizing connection to nature while maintaining privacy through strategic placement and smart design. Minimalist luxury architecture extends beyond the building itself. Landscaping is designed as an integral part of the exterior composition. Clean-lined gardens, reflecting pools, sculptural plants, and minimalist hardscapes complement the architecture. The landscape enhances visual flow, softens rigid forms, and reinforces harmony between the house and its surroundings, creating a cohesive and serene luxury environment. Exterior lighting transforms ultra-luxury homes after sunset. Recessed lights, linear LEDs, and subtle uplighting emphasize textures, volumes, and pathways without overpowering the design. Minimalist lighting is about precision, highlighting architectural features and enhancing depth. At night, the house becomes a glowing sculpture, showcasing elegance, sophistication, and meticulous attention to detail. The entrance of an ultra-luxury modern house sets the first impression. Oversized pivot doors, minimalist canopies, and dramatic entry sequences create a sense of arrival. Facade details remain subtle but intentional, from shadow gaps to seamless joints. These refined elements communicate exclusivity and craftsmanship, reinforcing the minimalist philosophy while delivering a powerful luxury statement. Ultra-luxury, modern house exterior design with minimalist architecture elegance is a celebration of clarity, quality, and timeless beauty. By focusing on form, materials, light, and proportion, these homes achieve lasting sophistication without excess. Minimalism becomes the ultimate expression of luxury, quiet, confident, and enduring, proving that true architectural elegance lies in thoughtful simplicity and refined design vision.